awardees of the Manufacturing Grants 2024 Round 1. I am Patty Reschberger, the Innovation Fund Manager.
And I'm Eric Fasser, Solutions Program Manager.
So this year, for the first time, we changed the application to a video submission, and I was very excited about that since the discussions, the original discussions to implement that. We were very excited to get the submissions, and oh my God, what a treat. The videos were fantastic. Thank you for all the effort you put into it. It was delightful to watch them. I wish we could just publicize all of them. I know we're not going. Your applications are, the content of your applications is private and we won't share, but thank you for that treat. And within that, so we're gonna announce the awardees. And we're very much looking forward to working with everybody. Everybody's going to get an email. Either way, we're going to confirm. We're going to follow up with you. And if you don't hear your name, I got more news for you after the announcement, so stay tuned. The first awardee of the 2024 Round 1 is actually a re-awardee, the Tack Valley Center of Gravity and Uncaged Innovations. They were awarded last year with their BioLeather project. With those funds, they were able to create the first full-size roll of material. I actually had a chance to check that out. Thank you, Allison, for that. And with this grant, they are gonna focus on material finishing to cater to the preferences of the designers they work with. And they told me, get ready for this. Get ready for a journey of innovation and style like never before. I look forward to it.
All right. The second one, and we should mention there are 7 awards total, correct?
Absolutely.
Yep. Okay, so the second of 7 goes to Binghamton University Center for Advanced Microelectronics Manufacturing, or CAM, partnering with Natrion Incorporated. Natrion is a Binghamton-based battery tech company that has developed a revolutionary solid-state electrolyte using a ceramic polymer composite. Compared to current rechargeable batteries, this innovation will translate to significantly faster charging times, much larger thermal stability range, which means reduced risk of fires, and increased energy density, which means that users could see up to 50% increase in power or range than they're currently getting with batteries of the same size. So the obvious implications are in the EV market, but also consumer electronics, defense, and aerospace. And Natrion is partnering with CAM at Binghamton to scale up production and ensure that this will be a drop-in solution that's compatible with existing manufacturing processes that are currently being used by battery manufacturers. So very interesting, especially from a commercialization standpoint.
Absolutely, and not surprising at all to have a better battery project awarded out of Binghamton.
Sure.
The next awardee is Rochester Institute of Technology, Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, the Kate Gleason College of Engineering, and Layer Matrix. This is a really cool, very interesting Industry 4.0 project. So they are going to be gathering data, real-time data from metal additive manufacturing processes, and then they're going to use that to set up an AI model for real-time on-site process monitoring and control of metal additive manufacturing systems. And so this has the potential to reduce costs, reduce waste, increase quality. I mean, it takes the guessing out of the process. It's going to be a fantastic potential for this project.
Yeah, really good. Our fourth award goes to CNY TDO, partnering with Flow Incorporated. TDO is the Syracuse-based Manufacturing Extension Partnership Organization that covers the Central New York region, and they've partnered with Flow Incorporated, which is an MIT and Yale startup that's tackling the $11 billion problem in the U.S. caused by damage from ice dams. Flow has developed a patented, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution to prevent dangerous buildup of ice on roofs in the winter, which can cause leaks, structural damage, and even roof collapse. Flow's system will replace existing solutions, which can be unsafe and expensive and very energy intensive, all while reducing carbon emissions by 99%. This project will help to advance Flow's development efforts, improving design for manufacturability, doing validation testing, and obtaining key safety certifications. So very excited for them and the team at TDO.
Oh, can't wait to work with those guys. I love them. Yeah.
Good.
The next awardee is the Wellness Research Agency. They are partnering with 3 manufacturers: Topical Biomedics, Old Ways Indigenous Medicinals, and Jane Street Distillery. I have to start by saying, Steve, your video, phenomenal. Oh my God, it was so much fun to watch it. I am actually taking notes. So just so you know, you've been an inspiration. Maybe not this particular video counting. We'll see about that. Anyway, the Wellness Research Agency provides research, information, and expertise on wellness, going from holistic, natural, all the way to traditional medicines. And they are partnering with 3 New York State manufacturers to innovate wellness products. The products include topical creams for pain relief, teas, elixirs, and even our cherished libations. So looking forward to the results of this one.
All right. Our 6th award goes to Downstate Technology Center, partnering with Chemfinity Technologies. So Chemfinity is a clean tech startup out of Brooklyn that's developed a substance that can recover critical medical particles from waste products. And why is this important? Well, metals such as copper and platinum that are critical to so many product technology are mostly sourced from overseas mining operations, about 80%. And the process of mining and then transporting those metals to the US is horribly inefficient and horrible for the environment. So also, these metals then end up in a waste stream without an efficient way to recover and recycle them. So Chemfinity has a proven product that they've proven with their sorbents that they can target and extract those critical metals from waste. And working with Downstate Technology Center, they'll be able to advance their manufacturing readiness and develop a product form that meets the requirements for industrial use. So yet another exciting project. It's going to be interesting to see their progress.
Absolutely. Increased sustainability. It checks a lot of boxes.
Yes.
Very cool. And rounding up the 7 awardees for this round is Cornell University, the Praxis Center for Venture Development, and Regen. I'm psyched about this project. Much like the last project you described, this is also about recovering rare earth this time. So Regen is aiming to develop a clean, sustainable rare earth manufacturing facility in upstate New York. And they're going to be able to recycle. It's a circulatory system where they are going to be able to fish back, that's not the right technical term, don't get mad at me, waste and end-of-life consumer goods and take the rare earth back from that, de-risking the supply chain. So the biggest problem that we have with rare earth, which is of course utilized in all of our electronics, is that the supply chain, most of it does not come from the US, and so there's a lot of risk involved, and this is a fantastic benefit of this project.
Yeah, another example where it takes so many resources to get these materials out, and then they just get thrown away, and there's not an efficient way to then recycle or reuse them.
So that's what they're working on.
Good.
So I'm very excited about this. So congratulations to the 7 awardees. We will be reaching out very shortly to talk about the next steps. And we're very excited to be working with you. And to the ones, most of these are new to us, so welcome to the FuzeHub portfolio. And as promised, for the ones whose names were not called, a lot of these applications were extremely competitive. It was a difficult decision to select 7. There are a lot of you I'm going to be personally in contact with, but to all the applicants of round 1, you are all eligible and encouraged to reapply on round 2. The eligibility requirements and the submission requirements are pretty much the same, so please check in. The round 2 is open now, and if you did not apply for round 1, if you missed it, please take the opportunity to apply now. Send us your video submissions. We can't wait to see it, and I'll be talking to you very, very soon again. Thank you.